Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy beauty and fashion, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to put the notification bell on so you never miss a video. And I post every Sunday, so let's get into this review. So as you can tell by the title, I will be reviewing the new Gemini eyeshadow palette from Melt Cosmetics. So this is what the palette looks like, and this is the number one. They actually came out with two. The other is pink with a little bit of dark green in it. I ended up getting this one instead just because it has more greens, and then there's this beautiful mustard shade which I can't wait to try. This released on April 8th and I got mine on the Sephora website during the Sephora sale, so I ended up getting 20% off, which I am pretty happy about. And then looking at the information on the Sephora website, this palette retails for 58 USD and then for 74 Canadian. Look at this. How beautiful is this palette? So in this palette you get a total of 10 shades. It is matte heavy, so you get 8 matte shades and then the others are shimmers. Online, this palette is described as a soft, warm, neutral, and cool olive tones to satisfy every mood, and it is satisfying my mood. So I want to swatch these. This formula is pretty soft. It's my first time, like I said, this is my first time trying these. Look at that. Oh my god. Fire Og. Oh, Fire Og is amazing. There you have it. These are all the shades. I'm mostly excited about all the shades. I mean, this one at the bottom is a little bit too light for my liking, but everything else is beautiful. I'm going to start with the greens because they're calling my name. So I brought you in a little bit closer so you can see the details. And I'm definitely starting with the greens. Let's see. I think I'm going to start with Fire Og. So Fire Og is described as an olive green, and I'm going to put that right there. Okay, it's showing up, so I'm happy. It's a beautiful shade. Let's see how it is. You know what? I think I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm going to take a little bit more and then start packing it in my crease. Okay, looking good so far. I just need a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to start blending in. Let's see. So far so good. It's blending pretty well. Okay, it's looking good so far. I think I want to try another one. Let's see. Maybe I can put a little bit of Mochi, this one, and then putting that right above. I just want to see if I can soften the outer part. Yep, it's working. That looks beautiful. I feel like I need to soften this part a little bit more. Now I am getting some kickback, which I don't mind. Here. So far, no fallout. So I'm going to use this shade, and then I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eye just to see. That one's like more of a dark olive, so let's see if I can get the 3 shades showing up. Yes, you can definitely see this one more. Ooh, this shade is beautiful. Yeah, I love this one. Okay, I want to put it in my inner corner as well. I'm gonna do a halo. Going back in with Fire Og, which is the first shade. This one. And I'm going to put that again in my crease just to bring it out. I love this so far, it's beautiful. Going back in with Mochi right above Fire Og. I mean, these layer so well. They look good. Just to soften everything. I mean, come on. Come on. Oh, okay, so of course I'm gonna put goals. I want to put goals in the middle because we're doing a halo and goals is so soft. Beautiful formula. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Oh, okay, just going to make sure I put goals correctly. I mean, come on, look at that. Isn't she beautiful? She is gold. That's the perfect name. So I'm going with Fire Og. Put that on my bottom lash line. Going back in with Leo. Going to put that on top of Fire Og. Going to use Mochi, the light shade, just to blend everything. And then I'm going to take Goals, which is the beautiful shimmer, and then put that right where I left the empty space. I'm going to use a brush for this because I don't think my finger can go there. Okay, I feel like it's not showing up as much, so I'm going to try using my finger for this. Going back in with Goals. Huh! Look at this. Look at this. I love this eye. This palette is beautiful already, okay? It is beautiful and it's making me, like, now I'm wondering, do I need the other one? Do I need the palette number 2? Because look at this. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye, come back, and then we'll talk. Okay, so I added a half lash on both eyes and mascara, and what I want to do, the last shade I want to use is Bonnie, this one. I want to use Bonnie, and then I already did it for this eye. I put it on top, so really close to my lash line, and then also on the outer part and the inner part. So I'm going to do the same thing for this eye, and then just put it right here and then right there. So this is the final look. Okay, so I'm going to remove the eyes, unfortunately. Come back and then we'll try the other 5 shades. I am so excited. Eyes are all clean. I'm going to do the other eye. Now, so just to show you, I'm gonna go with Cupcake and then put it on the back of my hand. And then I'll blend it just to show you. So this is what Cupcake looks like on me. Now I'm going to use Polka Dot, this one. This is Polka Dot. And I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. See, this is what I get. I'm not crazy about this. This is very cool and I much prefer this one. So I think what I'm going to do then is use Bonnie as the darkest shade instead. And then this is what it looks like. See, I think these two will look better. I'm not crazy about that. I'm going to put Polka Dot, which is the warm brown. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Shade I want to use is Bonnie. Take a little bit and then put it on the outer part of my eye. It's a beautiful shade as well. You know what? I think I'm going to do... So sorry, I keep going back and forth. I think I want to go with Bonnie all over my lid. Yes. I'm going to take more. And I don't want to go past my crease. Take more of Polka Dot and then blend the outer part. Okay, I'm happy with what I have so far. I want to add shimmer. Going to use Gemini and then put that all over my lid. Basically from like the inner corner all the way to, let's say, half of my lid. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. This shade is so bright. Wow. Start with polka dot on my bottom lash line. I want to see what I get. I'll probably do something light. I don't want it to be too dark. So just a wash of polka dot. I'm going to put on lashes, come back with the other eye. So this is the last one. What do you guys think? So my final thoughts for this palette, I think it is beautiful. Now the mattes are so creamy, buttery, smooth. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it. They blend like a dream and I love that. The shimmers are vibrant and they're also creamy. Like this shade, butter. Now these 5 shades are amazing. They work well together, they blend well. It was so easy for me to create the look with only using these 5 shades, and I feel like I could have done so many other variations, and I love that. Now when it comes to these, I don't know, it took a little bit more work. For example, this shade, I'm not crazy about it because it's a cool tone. I'm not a fan of cool tones. I feel like it doesn't really complement my skin tone, but that's just a preference. Doesn't mean that the shade is, you know, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work for me. Now this one, I thought it was going to be a little bit darker. It did show up, but not as dark as I expected. But nonetheless, a good shade, and I love that it's warmer. Now this shade, I am disappointed. I was looking forward to using this one because it's a nice mustard and I was expecting it to be more pigmented. It wasn't. Off camera, I did use a primer just to see if it would work. It didn't. I used my NARS primer and it didn't give me much. There wasn't a big difference, so that's really disappointing. But this shimmer is beautiful. On my lids right now, because I have the blue, I feel like it looks a little bit gold, but on its own, it's a beautiful shade. This one, I didn't bother using it because I don't know, it's too cool toned for me. Next time I try the palette, I want to see if I can create a look with only using these 5 shades and then also mixing them together just to see what else I can do, because so far so good. The palette is nice and I am happy I got it. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to let me know what you think down below. Will you be trying this palette? Also, if you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.